We'll guide you through how to create an Asana content calendar. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Asana on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, go to the sidebar on the left and click on the plus icon next to Projects to create a new project. Name your project Content Calendar or anything that suits your needs. Choose the calendar view, as this will provide a visual representation of your content schedule. Once your project is set up, you need to start adding tasks. Each task can represent a piece of content, like a blog post or social media update. Click on Add Task and enter the title of your content. You can then assign this task to team members by clicking the Assignee field. Set due dates by clicking the Due Date field to ensure your content is published on time. For more detailed planning, you can add subtasks within each task. Click on a task to open its details and find the Add Subtask option. Here, you can break down the content production process into smaller steps, such as drafting, editing, and final approval. If you want to categorize your content, use the Tags feature. This helps in filtering and organizing content based on themes or platforms. To add a tag, click on the task and find the Tags field. You can also create sections within your calendar by clicking Add Section to group content by type, like blogs, videos, or newsletters. This keeps everything organized. Lastly, if you have a recurring type of content, you can make a task repeat. Just click on the task and find the Repeat option to set a frequency. That way, you won't have to manually add it every time. With everything in place, you can now view your content schedule in the calendar view and make adjustments as needed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.